And the race is on. King's Dominion from the outside, rising up Princess Tokai. Livingstone in the middle. Livingstone, King's Dominion, Magic Key alongside Princess Tokai. Dr. Choice running in the middle, down on the inside, Devil Rising, Domek, rushing up Mr. Kawaiso alongside 8A Pay to See, moving up down on the inside is Lady Sorrow St. Mark, Flying Eyes alongside by Darrell Nice and Easy and Has It Coming is running in 14th. Magic Key, King's Dominion, fighting it out for the lead. Princess Tokai, Livingstone down on the inside, rushing up Mr. Kawaiso, rushing up in the middle, Domek by the Devil Rising, is sneaking down on the inside, ladies. So there's a spell. Archibald Donido on Princess Tokai. It's now King's Dominion from the outside, Magic Key, Livingstone. Mr. Kawaiso is running in for down on the inside alongside Lady Sorrow. Devil Rising running in 6, and on the outside, Domek. Then here comes Flying Eyes together with Dr. Choice, racing towards the last 450 and going to the final corner. King's Dominion from the outside, Magic Livingstone in the middle, 9A Prying Eyes on the further outside, down on the inside, Lady Sorrow and Dr. Choice. Mr. Kawaiso is running in 7th position and nearing the finish line, the favorite 9A Prying Eyes by some 3 lengths, and finally 9A Prying Eyes second. King's Dominion 9, Dr. Choice, Lady Sorrow, Mr. Kawaiso, Livingstone, and Devil Rising.